Right now we're in Taki, and Taki is really close to Bangladesh. So you can see behind me, we're also in BSF, Border Security Force, because Bangladesh is so near. But Bangladeshi people and Indian people, they cross the border illegally. We have to submit our ID card just for safekeeping. Let's go explore the Mini Sunderban. So, I think we're approaching the dense part of the Mini Sunderban. If you don't know what the Sunderban is, it's a huge mangrove forest in India. Like, huge. There's lots of trees here. There's Avicennia alba. And there's a Golpata tree.
And this forest is named Golpata Forest because we can see many Golpata trees here.
Oishika's attempt. Here's the way to the tower side. And here in Bengali, it says that you can't get down from the bridge. Like, once you got on the bridge, you can't jump onto the land. The whole part's bridge only. The riverside or the tower side? Meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If you hollow, let it go. Meeny, miny, mo. Riverside we go.
Did you forget the second one will be the right one?
Don't ruin the magic. There's Bangladesh. We're so close. Fun fact about me, Bangladesh is actually the home of one of my best friends. Now we're gonna go to the tower side. trees from here. I don't think you can see any Golpata trees though. Yeah, but we can't see the river, which is really sad because I can't see Bangladesh anymore. My mother refused to come up because it was too high. It's supposed to be higher. I don't know how she'll come up when it's higher. So yeah, that's it. Let's go down. From the watchtower, and there's a small cafe here where you can get small beverages. My parents are drinking tea, we're eating candy. So yeah, you can take a little rest here if you want. Anyways, we finished our trip to the Golpata Forest. I hope if you ever come to Taki, you can come to the Mini Sunderban. Bye bye. Icchamati River. There's India, there's Bangladesh, there's the Icchamati River. This is the Mini Sunderban, that's the Mini Icchamati River.